Hello and happy Friday.
I'm Jen, Rienstra with Guild Mortgage.
And I'm Kerri Schultz with Keller Williams Premier Realty. And we're here today to give you, again, your weekly Friday update. The latest and greatest news today is that December was still a record-breaking month for home sales. They did decrease slightly by 4.6%. But supply, again, continues to be record low.
Housing bidding wars still,
yes,
right?
Yes.
You're seeing that firsthand.
As a result, yes, 3 in 5 homeowners are facing bidding wars. And it's been a very big challenge. So if you are looking to buy a home, I strongly encourage you to work with a really good realtor.
And make sure you're pre-qualified.
And make sure you're qualified and make sure you know how to submit a great offer, even if you're contingent or all the backwards and forwards. You need a great realtor to help to actually work with you and submit a fabulous offer so you can beat and win in the bidding wars. Another stat that I saw was that 40% of Americans are actually still considering making a move in 2022.
Which is a huge number.
It's a massive number. And one of the big reasons is people are able to move out still because of working from home is still a huge option. So people can move pretty much anywhere. And so I think they're really going to start taking advantage of that.
For sure.
So yeah.
January, it's January 21st, unbelievable. And we finally have winter here, which is kind of nice. Right. It's kind of a nice change. I wanted to mention the Homestead Exemption. If you bought a home in 2021, you should file for your Homestead Exemption. You have through the end of April. One thing, if you're doing it online, it's really easy. Reach out to us. We can send you links. But if you're doing it online, you want to have your driver's license updated to your current address or they'll stop you.
Right. And the date to file is the end of April, but the sooner the better. Go ahead and get your Homestead Exemption done. Another question we get a lot of is if you've bought a home in 2021 is you may be receiving tax bills in the mail. And you're like, Kerri, I bought this home. Didn't I escrow and pay for all these taxes ahead?
Yeah, those are informational.
Right.
So I mean, you should, if you have an escrow account, that's your mortgage company, your servicer will take care of that bill.
Right. So it's more informational purposes to remind you what your bill payment is.
HOAs are not part of your escrow account.
Yes.
So that's important to know.
Right. So yes, HOA dues, a lot of people will get those confused. You should be getting those bills as well. They should be due at the end of this month, so just in a few days. So it's important to pay those separately. I'm actually on the board of our HOA here in Kellywood Gardens area. And yes, if you don't pay by the 31st, you start getting the fees associated with that as well. So just make sure you realize that taxes and insurance are in your escrow account. Your HOA dues are not, and you still need to pay those separately.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. And we'll see you next Friday. Thanks.
Thanks.